Good morning, good evening, YouTube. This is the Prince of Mill Avenue, and I don't know precisely how noisy the wind is going to be. However, I just had to throw this off. We have what is essentially almost a boob level, hey dragon, dust storm going on in Phoenix, blowing things away. Of course, this camera is crap in the dark, but you could probably tell that there's reasonably low visibility everywhere. This thing literally blew in like 30 minutes ago. The last really cool one that I was in lasted almost 3 days, and that was back in Yuma. We're relatively harbored here in this little apartment subdivision, or duplexes, or whatever they are. And so the wind isn't really that spectacular. However, go out to the main road and you get buffeted and, certainly with eventual certainty, your bones would be stripped clean by the spectacular amount of dust blowing over us. But I hope all of you are staying safe, enjoying wherever you're at. Sorry if you can't really see anything. Like I said, camera is terrible with low light. I am definitely going to enjoy tonight. So, all of you, have a good evening, good night, and good dreams.